Welcome to DreamHaven Ideas. Imagine stepping into your backyard and being greeted by the warm glow of pendant lights, the inviting scent of herbs growing nearby, and a beautifully covered space where cooking becomes an experience, not just a task. This is the magic of a luxury outdoor kitchen. Today, we're exploring over 100 covered outdoor kitchen ideas for 2026, featuring dream grill stations, elegant barbecue setups, and sophisticated backyard bars. Whether you have a compact patio or a sprawling yard, these inspiring designs show how intentional covered design can transform your outdoor cooking area into a stunning retreat that brings people together. As we wander through these beautiful spaces, notice how the most inviting outdoor kitchens balance style with substance. Covered structures, whether pergolas with retractable canopies, sleek metal roofs, or rustic wood beams, create comfort in any weather while framing your culinary space with architectural appeal. You'll see how premium materials elevate the experience. Honed stone countertops that stay cool under the sun, weather-resistant cabinetry that withstands the elements, and integrated lighting that transforms evening gatherings into magical moments. Vertical herb gardens bring fragrance and function within arm's reach, while tropical landscaping adds layers of greenery that soften hard lines and create privacy. The magic lies in the details. Edison bulbs strung through beams casting a warm glow, brass accents that catch the light, modular seating that adapts to your needs. Smart technology keeps everything running, effortlessly automated irrigation for your herb wall, app-controlled lighting for the perfect ambiance, and durable surfaces that look stunning season after season. Every element reflects intention, creating an outdoor kitchen that's not just beautiful, but deeply functional, a space where cooking, gathering, and relaxing flow together seamlessly. As you explore these ideas, I invite you to imagine which elements would make your outdoor kitchen feel like home. Would you choose the rustic warmth of a farmhouse-style covered grill with shiplap accents and vintage lighting? Or does your heart lean toward sleek modern minimalism with clean lines and integrated smart features? Consider your lifestyle. Do you love hosting dinner parties? A spacious bar area with ample seating and prep space creates the perfect entertaining hub. Do you crave quiet mornings? A cozy grill nook with tropical greenery offers a peaceful start to the day. Do you value sustainability? Reclaimed materials and native plantings honor the environment while creating beauty. Think about the feeling you want to cultivate. Is it the relaxed elegance of a coastal retreat, the vibrant energy of a tropical paradise, the sophisticated calm of a minimalist sanctuary? Each of these visions is achievable through intentional covered design that balances aesthetics with function. If these luxury covered outdoor kitchen ideas have inspired you to reimagine your outdoor cooking space, we'd be grateful if you'd like this video and subscribe to DreamHaven Ideas. By joining our community, you'll receive weekly inspiration for creating beautiful, functional outdoor spaces that elevate your everyday life. We're here to help you design the covered culinary retreat you deserve. Now, settle in and enjoy this curated collection of luxury covered outdoor kitchen inspiration. Let these images spark your creativity and show you how your dream grill station is closer than you think.